Now I am going to start theorem of an angle bisector of a triangle. And this is the statement of the theorem. What is the statement? Bisector of an angle of a triangle. Bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the sides opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. This is the statement of the theorem. Now we are going to prove the theorem. You know that you have to draw a figure. Here is the figure as per the information given in the theorem. This is figure. Then given to prove if there is any construction, then construction and then proof. This is the procedure. Then what is given in the figure? In triangle ABC, bisector of an angle BAC, intersects side BC in point D, such that D is between B and C. In triangle ABC, this bisector of angle BAC intersects side BC at point D. Then what is to prove? AB upon AC is equal to BD upon DC. AB upon AC is equal to BD upon DC. This is to prove. If there is any construction, yes, there is a construction, and the construction is always given in the figure as a dotted lines. This is construction. What is construction? Draw a line parallel to ray AD. Draw a line parallel to ray AD through point C. And extend sec BA. This BA. Extend sec BA to intersect the line at point E. This segment BA is to be extended up to point E, such that A is between B and E. This is the construction. Now we are going to prove. You know that in triangle BEC, seg AD is parallel to side EC. This AD is parallel to side EC. This is given, and therefore by basic proportionality theorem you know that AB upon AE is equal to BD upon DC. AB upon AE is equal to BD upon DC. AB upon AE is equal to BD upon DC. This is basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Now again, ray AD is parallel to side EC. This ray AD is parallel to side EC, and this is a transversal. Then angle BAD, this angle BAD is congruent to angle AEC, this angle AEC. BAD is congruent to AEC. Why? Corresponding angles. You know that if the sides are parallel, then the corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, by corresponding angles, these two angles are congruent. Now, again, AD is parallel to EC and this is a transversal. AC is a transversal. Then angle DAC, this angle DAC is congruent to ACE, this angle. DAC is congruent to ACE. Why? Alternate angles. Again, you know that if the lines are parallel, then the alternate angles are congruent. In this statement, BAD is congruent to AEC. In the third statement, DAC is congruent to ACE. But these two angles are also congruent. Why? because this ray AD is bisector of angle BAC. BAD is congruent to AAC, DAC is congruent to ACE, and if these two angles are congruent, then angle AEC is also congruent to angle ACE. Angle BAD is congruent to DAC, and therefore in triangle AAC, angle AEC is congruent to angle AC. You know that if in a triangle two angles are congruent, then the sides opposite to them are also congruent. Then AEC, side opposite to them, are also congruent. Therefore, seg AE is congruent to seg AC. Seg AC. Two angles are congruent, sides opposite to them are also congruent. And what is this known as? Isosceles triangle theorem. AE is congruent to AC. Now, from 1, AB upon AE, we can write this AE as AC. Therefore, from 1 and 5, AB upon AE, instead of AE, we can write this as AC. And what is this? It is equal to BD upon DC. BD upon DC. And this is the theorem. AB upon AC is equal to BD upon DC. AB upon AC is equal to BD upon DC. And the theorem is proved. This is theorem of an angle bisector of a triangle. This theorem is over. As this is a theorem, the proof is direct. Okay. Now we will see the converse of angle bisector theorem. Converse of angle bisector theorem. Consider triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. And this ray AD intersects side BC in point D such that D is between B and C. And if AB upon AC is equal to BD upon DC, if AB upon AC is equal to BD upon DC, then this ray AD is bisector of angle BAC. This ray AD is bisector of angle BAC. This is converse. And as you know that the proof of the converse is again indirect, and we are not means that indirect proof is deleted from the portion.